So today we are just reviewing our electric pressure cooker, and from the previous video, if you haven't watched it, I had already unboxed it. So today I just want us to cook with it and see how it goes. So let me just, I've used it like now, this is the third week using it. So for now, nothing is wrong with it. I really love it because it's as fast as I anticipated. So what it has, as I said, this is a lid, and from the lid you have this valve that you remove the pressure in it. Also, you see this silver thing. When the pressure is too high, it usually comes up. It also shows you how to close, this is to open and to close. So the lid also shows you how you can see here how it opens and how it closes. And this is the sufuria itself, and it's non-stick, guys. This is the pressure cooker inside. This is the hot plate that usually cooks, and these are the features, guys. This is keep and warm console. There's taste, there's rice, porridge, there's broth, meat, stew, beans, soup, steam, poultry, vegetables, saute, and there's a delay timer, and there's curry, and there's preset plus and negative. And that's it for the features that it has. Also, it came with this measuring cup. It also came with this, this plastic spatula. And it also came with this one. I think this one, when you want to steam your vegetables, this is when you put it inside here like this. I've not done it, but I think that's the purpose. So for this plate, because it's non-stick, you need to use either plastic or wooden for it to be able to last longer, you guys, as you know about non-stick. So yeah, that's it. And this is what I want to show you. And it also came with this one. You put it somewhere here at the behind, because of maybe if there's water leakage, which is rare. It usually stay here, and I've not seen any water leakage, but I think that's for it. So yeah, so I think we just start with that. And also, I forgot to show you, it also came with this cord, the one that you put for the electricity. And I have my beans over here. Most of the time, as you guys have seen in my vlogs, I usually pre-soak my beans, but for today I've not done that. I want to see how this pressure cooker will cook without me putting it, for the purpose of you putting it in water like for hours or overnight. It's to help you like save on energy. I was doing that because I was using gas, so it helps you not like save energy when it comes to cooking, so it cooks lesser time than how it's supposed to be. So for this one, I've just washed, done nothing on it, so we'll just cook as it is. I just want to see how long it can take. Yeah, so I think we will start. I'll start by putting this cord behind here, so that I can put it on. Let's start this thing. So I'll put my beans. This is how they look. So let us add water. So yes, I've already added my water, as you can see, guys, and it is written max over here. So it's have shown you where you're supposed to, the least you can add your water, or maybe something that you're cooking. So that is it. I've put it on over here. Let me switch it on. No, let me just put it, not switching on first, but let me put it on the socket. So what else you need to do is, so for the lid, guys, sometimes it's a challenge to close it right now, like. So that one is closed, and let me put this thing behind over here. Yeah, I'll put it behind here, and you can see this is where the vapor, water vapor comes off. That is it. So I've already closed the lid, and this lid you can't open, guys. Even when it's hot, it can't open. So I open like that. That's how you want to cook. Let us close. So you can't open, and it says do not touch up here while it's cooking. Do not touch the surface. So let me just switch it on, and that's how it shows when you switch it on. So I've not given it the authority to do what it's supposed to do. So what you do is, because it's beans, the good thing we have beans here, so I'll just press beans, and that's it. So you just wait. This one means that the pot is getting hot with the things that is inside. So when it starts, it will show you like that. Now it's getting hot. So when the pot gets hot, it will start counting itself. So let us just wait. It takes a bit of time, guys. Yeah. So let us wait and see. So it's still getting, the pot inside is getting hot. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Also make sure this one is closed, because when you do like that, it's open. When you do like that, it's closed. Make sure it's closed, because this one is very out there. The valve. So it's still continuing. So it takes like let me see how long it will take. So guys, it's still heating up. It's around 10 minutes now, still waiting. So the moment it starts heating up, and the pot is hot, it start counting. So no, the food is not yet, it has not started cooking yet. So guys, after it has heated up, it has taken like let's say 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. So it has already heat up inside. So it has started at 40, because for beans it has been given for 40 minutes. So we wait until the 40 minutes are over, and we'll see how the outcome will be. So for now it's medium, but if you want to like change to high or low, you just press this test, long press it, so it can change to low or high. But for me, medium is okay. That's what I'm normally using. So, but to this one, you can use to change to low, medium, or high. If you want to cancel the ongoing program, just cancel from here, and it will just stand still, come to a standstill, and it stopped. So you can see now it's going to 39. So we go like that until 100, and we are done. So yeah, so right now I want to go and clean the house. So I love this, because I won't have to come and check and see if the water is there or not. No. For this one, you just go do your house chores until it beeps. It will tell you that it's over and done with. So see you. As we are down, we are almost remaining 5 minutes. So yeah, I'm still waiting, but the good thing is I've already finished washing the whole house. It just remains the kitchen, and I'm almost done also with cooking the beans. So yeah. And you can see the cooker has written itself OH, means it has gone back to keep warm, like automatically, and it is now on a standby state. So you can either leave it like that to remove itself, the gas will remove itself, or if you're in a hurry, you just so because of the I don't want to like to wait for the purpose of this video. I just wanted to finish up with it. So what you do, the valve that I showed you guys over here, so you just open it so that so you just leave it like that. The pressure will just come out, and then when it's done, you are able to open you're able to open this. You'll be able to open the lid, but for now it can't open because of the pressure that is inside. The pressure is now all like done. I've opened the lid, this valve, and it's done. As you can see, there's nothing. So what we do, let's open. You can see it's saying open. Let's check how the beans are. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Okay, let me just bring a spoon. So these are the beans, guys. Me, I do. Oh, oops, it's so hot. This is what I do to check and see if they are okay. So for me, they are done within 40 minutes, and I didn't pre-soak them, guys. I never pre-soak them. So my beans are done. I forgot to put salt, but anyway, so I just wanted to show you that, and we are done. We are done with the review, and you can see how the process is. It's so smooth and it was easy for me. I've just cleaned the whole house, and while this one is cooking and I'm done, so I can come even prepare. I wanted now to prepare this right now. I don't know if I can show you inside. Yeah, you can see the water. So it doesn't like the water doesn't finish up like the way you can cook with the gas, because there's nowhere it runs to. So yeah, I'm so done and I'm happy because I need to cook githeri. I've missed githeri, you guys. So my plan was just to cook githeri because I have beans. I have the maize already. I cooked like on Monday, so I just cook with it. And the final thing that I wanted to show you is it also comes with a manual. So if you're not really conversant, you can check it out. Myself, I've not even checked it out. Last time I said I will read it. I've never read it. That's I've never read it. And then it comes with a warranty. You must be given a warranty, you guys. I think it's for 1 year, if I'm not wrong. So there's a warranty. And then I purchased it. The amount that I purchased it with was 11,600. So it did have an offer, so I just got it as that price. So yeah, and for me, I can say it's something that you can purchase because it's something that is really worth even for the price. So for me, I really like for electronics, I go with the names that are known other than the ones that are not known. But I think you can get even these things at 5,000 or 6,000 in Kamkunji. You can check them out. They have some, I think, Nunix, those my brands. You can check them out and you can buy, because I've seen some people using it and they are still okay. Yeah, so if you have any other question that regarding this that I've not mentioned over here, please comment down below and I will share with you. And so I've given you the price, and before I even started, I had checked my token to see how it was standing at 33. So we will check again and see how many units it has used, because it doesn't like consume a lot. It just consumes once or maybe even not. So the other thing that it has, this is 1100 watts. We said the inner plate, this one is 6 liters, sorry. Yes, and the settings here, there are 12 settings that you can choose for your own recipes. And yeah, that is it I can talk about. And if you have more questions, please ask me in the comment section and I'll be able to answer. So yeah, so let me just check the token and come back. So guys, I've checked the units. They are standing now at 33. Okay, my TV radio is on as for now, and my phone is charging. So I think maybe that's why, but it takes one unit. I've tried severally or two, but anyway, that is it, and we are good to go. That is what I've boiled for now, and I love. So I've really enjoyed this cooking process so much, and I've shown you like they are hata karibu ziwe zaidi. They're so okay. And yeah, I'm good. I can prepare my githeri now. So I hope that you guys, you've enjoyed, you've learned something out of this, and any questions, put them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer you. Goodbye for now.
I should be downtown whipping to